Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chime Credit Builder Card step by step clearly. Make sure you have your Chime Credit Builder Card, your phone, and internet access ready. Open the Chime app on your phone and log into your account. If you do not have the app, download Chime from the App Store or Google Play and then sign in. From the home screen, tap the section that shows your Credit Builder Card. If you do not see it, tap the Cards tab and select Credit Builder. Tap the option that says Activate Card. Choose the activation method shown on your screen, usually by entering the card details. Type the last 4 digits of your Credit Builder Card when the app asks for it. Enter the expiration date exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Enter the CVV security code from the back of the card. Double-check all numbers for mistakes, and then tap Continue. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated. If the app asks, create or confirm your card PIN for purchases. Pick a PIN you can remember, but others cannot easily guess. Confirm the PIN a second time to save it. Turn on card controls like transactions and alerts if you want extra security. Make sure your phone number and email in the app are correct for notifications. Add money to your credit builder by moving funds from your Chime checking account. Tap Move Money and then choose Transfer to Credit Builder. Enter the amount you want to move and confirm the transfer. Wait until the transfer shows as available balance in Credit Builder. When you are ready to spend, use the card for everyday purchases like a regular card. Keep your spending within the amount you move to Credit Builder. Enable safer credit building and settings if you want payments handled automatically. Check the app after your first purchase to confirm the transaction went through. If activation fails, close the app, reopen it, and try the activation steps again. If it still fails, contact Chime support from the app by tapping Help or Support. Store your cards safely and never share your PIN or CVV with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.